currently 8 a.m. and I'm gonna go to the dentist today. I'm just wearing a super long dress today, and I think I need to go because we have an appointment by 9 a.m. I recently started a new K-drama called Doctor Stranger. I started it because I randomly dreamt of Lee Jong-suk. Tapos, I took that as a sign to watch one of his K-dramas. And ito yung napili ko, yung Doctor Stranger. I started this the other night lang. And this is the third day I'm watching it. And guess what episode I'm in? I'm already on episode 18 and until 20 episodes to. So, 3 episodes left. And I'm so excited to finish it already. So I'm gonna probably finish this tonight. I'm on the last episode of Doctor Stranger, episode 20. I'm so excited to finish this. Anton and I made bread pudding. It has dark chocolate and peanut butter chips. Do you like it? I got another serving and I put vanilla sauce in it. I'm gonna link these recipes below.
Hi. That's not saying hi.
Anton and I are on the way home. I forgot to intro a while ago, but we got what we needed to buy. I got a laptop for my sister because it's her birthday tomorrow, and Anton helped me pick it out, so I'm excited to give it to her. I want to eat the pizza faster.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Anton and I just picked up a cake. He bought the hot. And ito na yung cake. It looks like this. I'm gonna link their IG below. Pero it's so cute.
Parang alis to ba?
Grabe, huwag ka mga
Hindi ko alam
Just from me.
Oh, yeah, I know this. This is my bag.
Hi everyone, today is Tuesday, July 20, and my sister and I are gonna go out with our cousins because it was her birthday last Sunday, so we might go shopping. And yeah, I think that's the plan for today. This is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing my mask, my top from Shein, cardigan from Shopee. I think these are mom jeans from Zara. And then my shoes, and then this is my purse. So that's my OOTD for today. about to finish a K-drama. I'm in the last 2 episodes of My Roommate is a Gumiho, and I'm so excited to finish it. And also, I want to show you my K-drama list. So this is my K-drama list. This is based on the order finished. And then, meron pa akong isang K-drama list, which is where I rank some of the K-dramas I watched. And I don't want to show you that kasi baka i-judge nyo ako. But, ayan, yun yung mga natapos ko so far. And I already put My Roommate as a Gumiho cause yun yung tatapusin ko tonight. Hi everyone, Anton and I are gonna go out again today. So I'm already ready, I'm just waiting for him. And I'm just in a really comfy outfit because it's still raining and it's so cold. So I'm just wearing a jacket right now. Close-up of my outfit. I'm actually wearing like a long sleeves underneath, but I really like the look of the closed jacket because it looks like I'm wearing a tracksuit. But I'm wearing a jacket from Adidas and then my jogger pants from Shopee and then my shoes. And yeah, super comfy, and it's just really so cold today. Home now. I wanted to show you some things I got because Anton and I went to Bershka, which is my favorite clothing store. I actually went there like last week for Leah's birthday, but I also went again today and bumaba yung sale prices nila. So buti na lang hindi ko binili yung gusto ko last week because bumaba yung prices. So anyway, I just got a couple of things for myself. I'm gonna do a mini haul of the Bershka things I got. So first thing I got actually is not for me. This is for my sister kasi pinabili niya to because we went to Bershka last week for her birthday and she wanted to get this. She got the blue one of this last week and I think she's gonna give this to someone. But ayan, it's just an orange top. It's really cute actually. Now I'm gonna show you the things I got. I got 2 things today and also I'm gonna show you what I got last week. Last week, I just got this nice crop top. It says Eternal on it. Like, yung Eternal reminded me of the Marvel movie, yung Eternals. But, ayan, super cute print. And what really got me was the back. It's like an open back. Like, I really love the style. And this was originally $995 and then last week I got it for $395 and I think I saw this again a while ago tapos $345 na lang. So sana kinuha ko na lang today, but I'm so happy I got this. And then I also got another white shirt today. And yung print lang niya is like a tiger print because I was born year of the tiger. Super simple lang. And last week, this was $225 ata, and today I got it for only 195 pesos. Original price was $495. And ito, size medium, and ito pala, I got in a size small kasi medyo oversized siya. And then, last week, oh my gosh, ito talaga yung gustong-gusto kong bilhin last week. Pero nanghihinayang ako kasi 995 ata siya, so like almost 1,000. When I saw it today, it was $795. Konting baba lang sa price, like 200 off, but still, that's a lot. I got this one. This wasn't the original jacket that I wanted. I wanted like a... I'm gonna insert a photo here kasi I took a photo of me trying it on. Yung isang jacket na sinuot ko sa photo na i-insert ko dito, that was a size small. So, konti lang naman yung difference. So, I just went with this medium one. It's super cute. I love it. The original price was $1,595 and naging $795 na lang.